Hey guys, today we will be pulling the plug inside of Van Company. Wait. How the hell did you get here?
Wait, where's Berry Blue?
Oh my god.
Berry, oh damn!
Hi guys, so you might remember Zar from the last video where we survived in sewers. This is my other friend, Berry Blue. We're all gonna be pulling the plug. Wait, do you guys want to do a speed run of pulling the plug or pulling the plug?
No. Take our time.
Okay,
if we do a speed run, we're gonna die.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, you got all your items?
We died. When me and you tried doing a speed run, we died.
Yeah. Do you guys have your items?
Yes. We all got our backpack, flashlight. I mean, not flashlight, glow stick, drill, grappler, teleport gun, we all got it.
Blah, blah, blah. I'm really good.
We got this. We did it. I can't wait to watch this.
Bro, you haven't even watched the first video I have posted. What do you mean by you're excited to see it? You haven't even watched the first video I did. What do you mean you're excited to see this video?
Bro, I was the first one to like on your video.
What?
I was the first person to leave a like on your video, bro.
Alright, gotta get my drill.
Yeah, get out your drill.
Oh my god, it's
The goddamn cable, you don't.
too bad I can take one.
No, they changed it.
Bro, it's randomized.
Free.
Bro, it's flipping randomized.
Bro, he's gonna get mad at us.
Just kill it. That's why we have drills. Yeah, kill it. Killed it.
The crate is under the map.
Yeah, this time I learned by my mistakes and I should not click through the map. No.
Where we went? It's a blue.
Bro, we literally went the wrong way. Oh, it's so jam-packed I can't even see. Yeah.
Same area. This way.
Oh my god.
Yeah. These vans are like crazy. I hate them.
Bro, it's randomized.
Oh, we're going on right now. At least my drill didn't fall off this time. Because one time when we were trying to do this, my drill fell.
Yeah, this is exactly right. Hey guys, just teleport past the mimic. Again.
Yeah. Where's he? Oh, okay, it's this way, I think. Nope, it's that way. Where's that guy's going? Fruit Loops when I started. Teleport. Yo! The graphics! These graphics are fire, bro!
Oh, so they updated the game. That's why the profile was changed.
Oh my god, why is it so hard?
Yeah, the graphics
This layout is so fun. no more.
I mean, there probably is some out of the second area, so we still gotta be careful.
Get up here. Still be in where? Don't touch
In this
the ceiling
area,
or the floor.
there's always... Yeah, look, see?
No, watch out, don't kill him, don't kill him. We don't want to get in a fight. We don't want to get in a fight with him.
Barry, we'll come. Don't wait. Yeah, just over here.
Which way? Which way, boss?
That way. Oh,
That
no.
way?
I can see that the water and all... Yeah, I saw that the water just randomly... Yeah, guys, look. Guys,
Oh,
you
no,
can
this
grab
is
one
a
too.
loop.
That's the wrong way. You can grab...
Oh,
you
I
can
found
grab,
it, I
you can
found it.
grab one of the goop. Bro, it also connects.
We did it. Yo, this is the first time we ever got it on film.
First time that... That we haven't even died once. We haven't even died once. That's cool. That's cool how we haven't died once.
Oh my god, he almost died.
I have 2 more lives for me.
Be very
Hey
careful.
guys, I gotta throw away my drill now. No, I need to throw away my drill.
Oh, here it is.
And oh no. Yeah, I'll just put this in my back. There we go. Find the side. Wait, let me get my grip ready.
Here he will. Come on, help.
Nice, we did it. We did it.
Where are them robots at? Robots!
Hey bro, I'm taking some this time. Last time you stole all of mine. Bro, I only got 2. Wait, okay guys, drop them all out. Yeah, look, I only got 1. Okay guys, drop them all out. We can...
How much do I have? I have 1 robot. Bro, I have 1 robot.
Take that.
It's mine.
Okay, take one of mine as well. Okay guys, pull them all out. No guys, pull them all out.
No, you're doing it upside down.
So, you can still do it.
And then I'll get these 2.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
No, it's not the end of the video yet.
Oh wait guys, I'm gonna take
yeah.
such a W pit.
It's fun. There's more robots. It's fun.
Oh, damn.
Oh wait guys, move away. I'm gonna take a picture. Move away guys.
Wait, did you
nice.
stop recording?
No, I'm still recording. You can take pictures while recording.
Oh.
Pretty sick.
Guys,
Wait guys, look, one of the ores are just flying away. One of the ores are literally just flying away. Guys, look, one of the ores are just flying away.
me. You have Vito Purple Guy and hot dogs.
Guys, I gotta tell you all something. Come up here. Hey guys, listen. What happens if you... Okay, what happens if you quit your game while you're in the old map? What happens if... Who wants to try that with me?
I'll try that.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
try
also
it.
try it. I'll try
No,
it.
Jeff Barry works.
No,
We don't wanna
I'm
lose
recording,
you.
so I can also record it. Okay, guys, let's hop in. 3, 2.
No, but we're not. Don't quit your game. Don't quit your game.
I know, but I'm recording. I can see what it looks like on camera, and other people can also see it.
No, bro, come on. Let's just go back and do the outro.
Oh yeah, wait, guys, watch this. Remember when we used to play on the zombie game here? Wait, don't take my robots. Oh no. Move away.
My headset is so blunt. Look at each other.
See ya. Okay, I want to see if I can clip past here. Because there is just a giant wall, so... Wait, if you do the original glitch, if I try and find the... Yeah. You can actually clip. Bro, why do you have so many?
It despawned.
It respawned, bro. You missed it.
Oh my god, can I have some more? I only got 2. You guys have like 5.
I have like 13.
Yeah, can I have like another... Guys, can I have like another 3?
Bro, come on. Let's just go back and do the outro. We'll get you some robots later. Bro, come on. Can we just go back? Because I really gotta pee.
Yeah, let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back.
And we'll do the outro before I pee myself.
Alright guys, bye guys. I hope you liked the video. Bye guys. No!